see Lindelof videos, expected value. So here's another question from AP Stats. In a game, you flip a coin twice and record the numbers of heads that occur. You get 10 points for 2 heads, 0 points for 1 head, and 5 points for no heads. What's the expected value of the number of points you'll win per game? So we have to figure out is what's the probability of these things happening. So we want 2 heads, right? But what's the probability of 2 heads? Well, if you're going to flip the coin twice, the probability the first time is 0.5. The probability the second time is 0.5, and you have to do them both. So it's an and, isn't it? So 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25. So 1/4 chance of you doing that, right? If you do that, however, you are going to get $10. So there's your $10. Plus, you get 0 points for 1 head. Well, okay, well, I guess so. One head. The probability is 0.5, isn't it? I mean, you have to show this, I guess, on the exam, but 0.5 times the value, and the value is 0, so that didn't help much. 0 heads. Well, if the chance of getting 2 heads is 25%, what's the chance of getting 0 heads? Because that would mean 2 tails, wouldn't it? So it would also be 1/4 times. However, in this case, be careful of the value. You get 5 points for that. So times 5. So times 5, right? 1/4 times 10 is 10/4 plus 0 plus 5/4 is 15/4. So there is your expected value. That's the answer that you'll put on the exam, and that's how we get that. So any questions or comments, let me know. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And if you have questions or comments, let me know, okay? Thanks, you guys. Peace.